A last-minute scramble for Washington's Chris Bidet to get federal insurance for the start of the year to cut down the $5,000 or so she spends each year treating her diabetes.
I know I'm kind of late, but this is the only time that I have given myself.
Across the country, from Georgia to California, millions of Americans got an extra 24 hours to sign up for insurance coverage that starts January 1st. The cutoff was today, but officials delayed the deadline until midnight on Christmas Eve to pick a plan.
Before the deductible.
It's a welcome delay for Carla Johnson, who's helping people sign up for new plans in Atlanta.
So that's great for the consumers. Consumers have somewhat of an early Christmas gift for them. So I'm excited that, the powers that be made this possible for more enrollment.
The federal exchange, healthcare.gov, saw 1 million visitors over the weekend, an early sign of a surge in interest. And the visits kept coming on Monday. Joining the crowd, President Obama, whose staff signed him up over the weekend in a move that was entirely symbolic, since he uses military doctors. The president sounded a positive note Friday about the overall pace of enrollment so far.
Since October 1st, more than 1 million Americans have selected new health insurance plans through the federal and state marketplaces.
And while the president said more than 500,000 people signed up through healthcare.gov in the first 3 weeks of December alone, enrollment is still far short of the 3.3 million the government expected by this time. Meanwhile, members of the president's own party continue their push to delay until 2015 fines for people who don't buy insurance by the end of March.
At the end of the day, if it's so much more expensive than what we anticipated, and if the coverage is not as good as what we've had, you've got a complete meltdown at that time. So this transitional year gives you a chance to adjust the products to the market.
The administration offered a reprieve last week to people whose policies are being canceled and who haven't been able to find affordable plans on the exchanges. They'll be allowed to buy catastrophic coverage or be exempted from the fine. And some states and insurance companies have extended the deadline to sign up for coverage starting in January to December 27th or even December 31st to give people more time to pick a plan. Now, health officials are pointing to a record day for healthcare.gov today with 850,000 visits to the site as of 2 p.m. And one more update we just got on those numbers over the weekend, more than 1.2 million visitors to the site over the weekend. Brianna?
In Honolulu, covering the story all day long, Athena.